Hello everyone, welcome back to Let's Learn. In this video, we will learn how to create professional document designs in Microsoft Word. First, type your full name at the top of the page. Increase the font size and make it bold. Now add your contact information below the name. For example, phone number, email, and address. Now, let's add a profile image. Insert your picture from the Insert tab. Resize it and place it properly. You can also add icons or shapes for a modern look. In the very first section, add your professional summary. Add another section called Experience or Projects. Write short descriptions using proper spacing and formatting. Next, add a section title called Education. Write your school, college, or university information. And then add another section called Languages. Here, mention the languages you are proficient in or comfortable using. Finally, at the bottom of your CV, add a section called Reference. This can include a reference from your educational institution or a previous employer. Now, let's make the design cleaner. Use line spacing, bold headings, and proper alignment. Finally, check the entire document carefully. fix spelling mistakes. Oh, I made a mistake. Let's add another section called Skills, just after the work experience section. Use bullet points to keep everything clean and easy to read. And make sure everything is aligned properly. Now your professional CV is ready. This is how you can create real-world documents using Microsoft Word. If this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe to Let's Learn. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.